I salute you, my followers. Yes, this message is to all the vehicle owners, drivers, and potential vehicle owners, also to whom it may concern. What I'm having here is called Thermostat. But this particular one is for the industrial engine. Yes, it's rated to open at 185 degree Fahrenheit. Yes, if you can see. So my advice to all the vehicle owners, if you have removed your engine thermostat from your vehicle, please try and avoid driving through flooded road this raining season. If you want to know why, the comments box is open and I will respond to it. Stay safe.